Hi, this is Ron Perrin. Since 1997, my company, Ron Perrin Water Technologies, has been inspecting and cleaning potable water storage. We clean our tanks with a dive crew. The divers are sealed in their own environment. This allows them to get into the water system and remove bacteria, protozoa, and even viruses that may be growing in the sediment. This is very important, and a lot of people just don't understand this. The water storage tank is the last stop that water makes before being served at your tap. It's already gone through all the treatment processes it's going to get, and over time, sediment builds up in these storage tanks. It comes in one little particle at a time, but it accumulates. And the EPA has determined that sediment in the floor of a water tank can be a safe habitat for bacteria, protozoa, and even viruses. As our climate warms, heat-loving microbes are going to take advantage of this and get a foothold in our water systems. By keeping the tanks clean, we allow the treatment chemicals to work the way they're designed to work, and this keeps the public safe. The sediment that builds up on the floor of the tank often looks like the ground around the tank. It comes in one little particle at a time, over time, sometimes over 10 years. We've seen tanks that have never been cleaned that have been there 30, 40 years. We inspect about 800 tanks a year, and it really amazes us how often we run into this. We're going to take you inside a water tank now. The diver is wearing a dry suit. Then he's washed down with a 200 parts per million chlorine solution to meet all state and federal standards. This allows him to get right into the water system and make repairs, or in this case, remove the sediment from the bottom of the tank. We use a 4-man dive crew when cleaning a water tower. Our divers are certified to dive on line air. That generally means they're certified to go offshore. We have some that have gone to diving academies and others that have gone through extensive military training. Even light sediment like this can contain billions of bacteria. And you can see it's a little bit thicker here. That's because it slid down the walls. And you can see he's working on the curvature of the tank here. And we can remove everything that's loose. This allows treatment chemicals coming into the tank to do their jobs, and the public is much safer. So any little contaminant will be more likely to just bounce through rather than to find a foothold in the tank and grow. Thanks for looking at our video. Check our website out at ronperrin.com.